Hey guys, Roxy Saran here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about those raging hormones, also hot flashes, and those occasional night sweats. So ladies, if you're sick and tired of having those crazy mood swings and waking up in the middle of the night and having to change your jammies 3 or 4 times, you'll definitely want to stick around for my top tips. All right, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. The first essential oil blend that I would love to tell you about is Cary Calm. Now, Cary Calm is a women's proprietary blend from doTERRA that is amazing for all things hormones. You can use it daily. It's absolutely safe. You can rub it over your abdominal area or on your wrists and breathe that in for that calming aroma. It is amazing for helping smooth out those peaks and valleys of our hormones. If you are ready to get started with essential oils, be sure to go to roxysaran.com. We would love to help you right there. Welcome you to the oily family right at roxysaran.com. Another tip for you today is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is an amazing essential oil that is cooling to the body. So just a little bit on your shoulders will help drop your body temperature in a natural way. Or you can put a few drops of peppermint in a spray bottle with water and you can mist your body, and that will help to cool you as well. I loved utilizing that. You can even put a drop or two of peppermint on a cool rag and put that on your body as well. So that is an easy thing to do. If peppermint has too much of the cooling sensation, but you need it, spearmint is a good alternative as well. It smells amazing, but it is a little bit milder in the scent as well as the sensation. Also, I want to tell you about Cary Sage. Cary Sage is an amazing essential oil for all things hormones, but especially on your ankles. So ladies, your ankles, the reflexology of that corresponds to your uterus and your hormones. So just a little bit of Cary Sage on your ankles every night will help with those night sweats. I have a friend, she came to me a few years ago and said, Roxy, I'm having horrible night sweats 3 or 4 times every night. I'm having to change my clothes. And ladies, if you've never experienced a hot flash yet, it's horrible, right? The upper body gets so hot, all of a sudden you just want to rip your clothes off, right? It's just so hot and uncomfortable feeling. And it can come on at any time, right? So if you're tired of that, just a little bit of Cary Sage on your ankles, you're going to love that. With my girlfriend, within 3 months, she was already so much better with her hormone levels. She didn't need to use Cary Sage anymore. If you are ready to get started with essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We would love to welcome you right there to the oily family. Or if you're just ready to purchase Cary Calm or Cary Sage, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. The next thing I want to tell you about today is the Women's Health Kit. You can purchase the Cary Calm roller, the phytoestrogen, and the bone nutrient in a bundle, and it saves you money that way. So the phytoestrogen is a blend of standardized plant phytoestrogens that help really support your hormones in a gentle and natural way. I love that it includes very concentrated flax seed to promote a healthy metabolism. We need that as we age, right, ladies? So eating right, exercising also helps manage those hormones, but we can help support our bodies in a natural way. And so I utilize phytoestrogen every day to help put the good balancers back in our body that help support not only healthy bones, but healthy heart and breast tissue and other body functions as we age. The bone nutrient is another part of the women's kit. It is a blend of vitamins and minerals that are amazing for bone health. And as we age, beginning in adolescence all the way through menopause, we need this to support our bones. And so it is bioavailable nutrients right there for our bodies. So you definitely want to add this to your next order. You're going to love it. And the last but not least, I want to tell you about Zindocrine. Now, Zindocrine is a blend of essential oil that helps support our endocrine system, helps flush out toxins from our body. Many women have started utilizing Zindocrine in a soft gel, 2 to 5 soft gels per day to help support their menopausal years and also flushing out those toxins, but it helps support with the hot flashes. So you may want to check that out on your next order. We're thrilled that you're joining us today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is your favorite part of this video? And I hope to see you in our next video.